Today I'm going to make pistachio pudding shots. First, in my bowl, I'm going to add 1 packet of pistachio pudding mix. Then I'm going to add 1½ cups of milk. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of vanilla vodka. Then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Now I poured the pudding mixture into a measuring cup to make it easy to pour the shots. I have these little plastic cups that I'm pouring the mixture into, and then I'm going to put a lid on them and then put it on the plate. Now that I poured all the shots, I'm going to put them in the fridge to set up for a few hours. Now that it's been a few hours, I'm going to take the lids off the shot glasses and put some whipped cream and sprinkles on top. Here's an up-close look of the pudding shots.